Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I have a very cute little project here to share with you today. I had the opportunity to attend a couple of classes at a scrapbook store this past weekend in Circleville, Ohio, where Ginger from my sister's Scrapper happened to be teaching some classes. And I count myself very, very lucky to be to have the opportunity to do that and participate. And this is one of the projects we did over the weekend, but this was an extra project. It was not anticipated, and the reason it's extra is because if you can see this front piece right here, it is from a retired Graphic 45 collection that has not been released, I believe, in about 10 years. So we each had a sheet of these little like punch outs. They weren't stickers, they were just like punch outs, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a minute. So this is what it looked like, this piece of paper, and it's from a collection called Fashionista. And it had these little punch outs, so it was like before sticker time or whatever. But we were each given one of these and one of the black boxes here from Graphic 45, along with some additional sheets of paper from, I believe it was from typography that we used. So as you can see, it's a four-sided box, and it has a lid. So the front has this gorgeous woman here, very fashionable. We have, just a couple different pieces here, the circle underneath, a little banner, and some flowers here that are hot glued to the top. And then you have the front side with one of those glamorous women in each side as well. And then on the back side, it has just like a banner or like a band. And then on the inside, it opens up like this. And there's some of the little punch out pieces here. This is the back side of one of them. And then on the inside of the box, very, very special, we learned how to make this little, I don't know, it kind of reminds me like a matchbox, but I know it's not a matchbox, but it's a little fold out booklet. And you can see the front and the back. We just attached some ephemera there from the punch out kit. It opens up like this. Okay. And then it has little pockets, like an accordion pocket file here. And each pocket holds a little place for pictures or journaling or anything. And what I like about this project so much, not only is it cool and was it new to me to make one of these, but it has that magnetic closure, by the way, but it's great for if you have just a little trip or a weekend getaway and you want to put some ephemera away. You can put some pictures and some journaling right in here and then tuck it in here, and then there's still space if you have other little artifacts or ephemera or things from the trip that you want to remember or put in there, like like a keychain or a stamped penny or just anything like that, receipts. They would all be contained in this cute little adorable box. So I was really happy to be able to make this last weekend, and I enjoyed meeting Ginger so much. And if you ever have a chance to have a class with her, it is invaluable information and time with her. So I would say in the next couple of weeks, I will be finishing some of my projects that I worked on that weekend, and then also be sharing those as well. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.